So this is my breeding season, 2019. You can see my shed's changed a lot now. Got my cages, not finished yet. Still got plenty more birds to buy. So this is the shed. So I'll start off with these birds. These are both 18 rung. She's got 4 eggs in there, all fertile. This is a new pair that I bought the other day. Still nothing yet. In this cage, that's the cock. That's the hen. She's on 4 eggs, 4 fertile. They've already had a round. These are their chicks. That's the one crested, and that's the other one there. Beautiful birds. Then up here, I didn't put these in cages because I'm planning on going on holiday, so I just let them go down in here. But they decided to build in the seed pot, so that's your old pal hen. She's got 4 eggs, 4 fertile, and then I have a red mosaic. She's still laying, so that's 3 today. Hopefully one more tomorrow. There are the cocks. That's nice, you can see them or not. There we go, beautiful birds. But yeah, that's about it this season. As you can see, been a change in my shed. All cages now, not a big aviary anymore. And yeah, still plenty of time. Right, all this in the water's their vitamins. Give them their egg food and everything as well. But yeah, hope everyone's having a good season, and see you later.